Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Differin Adapalene Gel 0.1 Acne Treatment 15 gram 60-day supply, pack of 2. It works well and spreads and absorbs into the skin well so that the tube goes pretty far and doesn't leave you too greasy. Also referred to as chicken skin, it has unsightly red bumps that sometimes itch and they form little white heads at the surface. It is also not meant to be a spot treatment. It needs to go over the whole face like a veil to work best. If you're sensitive to it, be smart enough to take breaks from it and let the skin heal, knowing you can go back to it to continue its magic later. This has changed my skin completely. It took a few months to work, but my skin had been super clear ever since. It barely worked for me on its own, but mixing it together with some benzoyl peroxide and borage seed oil has done wonders. Rosacea is considered a cosmetic condition, not something detrimental to your health, so insurance doesn't help out a lot for the meds. The Cetaphil was cheap, roughly $6 at Target, and it makes my skin soft and clean while the Differin keeps the rosacea away. My skin cleared up for a few months and then my acne came back once it was out of my system. Do not wear powder if you get oily throughout day. Do not rub with a brown napkin the oily spots on face. Twice a week put on acne-free sulfur mask known to shed skin and unclog pores. Leave on for 10 minutes, then wash off. Wait between 10 and 20 minutes. Take a pea size of the Differin Gel and smooth on a layer completely over face. Note: retinol products are not the active ingredient, so this along with prescription ones is much better than any retinol product. The fact that it is now available over the counter and the price is not too steep make it a no-brainer for me. Wash your face again. Put the Differin Gel on a small amount and the aloe vera gel, then in the morning you'll notice the difference. My routine was to wash with clear benzoyl peroxide. Apply 10 benzoyl peroxide over any pimples and put on some Cetaphil lotion and call it a day. With Differin, it is apparently very important to wait for the product to dry and absorb after application before putting on any moisturizer or other product. One big caveat is that for Differin to work you need to have a good skincare routine that isn't too harsh on your skin and is sufficiently moisturizing. Most acne cleansers and moisturizers are too harsh and do a poor job of moisturizing, especially if these products are oil-free. It goes on clear and without a residue as long as you only apply a thin layer and not too thick. He puts a little on his nose in the morning and at night when he has acne spots showing, and this so far is keeping things in check pretty well. A word of caution: a little of this stuff goes a long way. Is very drying to the skin, and my skin definitely got worse before it got better. It works great as long as you can be patient and make it through the first month or so of red, dry, irritated and flaky skin. Get the smaller size to see if you like it. Well worth a try for those that have tried everything else. Finally, someone at the FDA realized it sucks having persistent acne with only drugstore cleansers to try to maintain healthy skin. When over-the-counter meds aren't strong enough and retin-A is too strong for your skin, Differin is a happy medium. One good thing about Differin is that you do not need more than a small pea-sized amount to treat your entire face. There are probably as many different skin types as there are people, so the fact that it doesn't work for everyone is not surprising. This product takes 3 months to work, as the directions state. The first 2 months are very difficult to get through, but it is worth it by the end of the second month and the third month. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.